In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in GoHighLevel. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your contacts, track behaviors, and build better automations inside your account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a new tag and how to name it in a way that keeps your system clean and easy to manage. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account and you're on the correct location or sub-account where you want to set up your tags. Once you're in the dashboard, look toward the lower left-hand side of your screen and click on Settings. This is where most of your account level configuration lives, so it's the place you'll come back to anytime you want to manage things like users, pipelines, and of course, then after you've opened the settings area, look through the menu on the left and find the option labeled tags. Then click on it. This will take you to the main tags management page. Here, you'll see a list of any existing tags that have already been created in this account. It's a good idea to quickly scan through that list so you don't accidentally create a duplicate tag with the same name or purpose. Now that you're on the tags page, look for the button that says New Tag, usually near the top right of the screen, and click on it. This opens a small window or panel where you'll define the details of your new tag. You don't need to worry about a lot of extra settings here. The main thing you'll be focusing on is the name. In the tag name field, type in the name you want to use. Try to make it descriptive and consistent with how you name other tags in your account. For example, you might use names like lead, Facebook ad, booked appointment, or client active. Using a clear naming convention will help you understand at a glance what each tag represents and will make filtering and automations much easier later on. Avoid special characters that might make the tag harder to search for, and keep the name short but meaningful. Once you're happy with the tag name you've entered, go ahead and click on Create. The new tag will be saved immediately and added to your tags list. From this point on, you'll be able to apply this tag to contacts, use it in workflows, and include it in